Good morning friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and today in this video I'll show you how to grow kiwi plant from kiwi fruits. These are the very costly fruits in our market. They are selling at around 300 rupees per kg, but you can grow easily from these kiwi plants. Small minute dark seeds are available and you can grow as like a staking, and you can grow just like grapes. You can grow kiwi and hundreds of fruits you can get from these plants. So in this video I'll show you how to grow seeds, how to get the seedlings. If you want, you can grow in pots also, in containers you can grow these plants and they will fruit nicely. Here if you cut it inside, you will see in a circle condition you can see black seeds, just like sesame seeds. Like small minute black seeds are around at the central level, and you can see you can collect it easily these seeds, and you can grow at home easily these plants. And you can collect these seeds in two ways. Just get the central pulp condition. Here you can see small blackish, you can see it, minute seeds are here. You can collect the central portion of the pulp, and rest of the fruit you can eat at home. So this is how you can collect seeds, and how to grow the seeds I'll tell you in this video. This is very easy. And after growing the seeds, how many days it takes to seedling and how to transplant the seedling, I'll show you the everything in this single video. So just watch the entire video. You will learn the process and you can grow kiwi plant at home easily. Just collect the central pith region of this pulp, and here minute seeds are here, black seeds. You can collect the seeds in two ways. Both the ways I'll show you how to collect the seeds. If you want, you can collect the pulp, central pulp portion, and you can grow directly. So first way is just take some strainer and take the pulp, central pulp, and mash it properly. And after mashing it, add little bit water so that the pulp can get out from here. So here the process, just wash the pulp properly so that seeds are retained in the strainer and the rest pulp will get out from below. So this is the way how to wash the seeds, and you can directly sow the seeds. I'll give you the media where you can grow the seeds. The two ways you can grow the seeds into growing media. I'll show you the both the way. So after staining it properly, you can collect the seeds, and I'll show you the media, in which media you can grow. The first media is take around 60% of this garden soil, plain dry garden soil, add 40% compost. This is one of the soil media you can grow, and they will grow thrive very nicely in this media. And another media is non-soil media. Take around 1 part vermicompost, 1 cup part coco peat, and 1 part cow dung compost. If you don't find cow dung compost, vermicompost, you can take 50% coco peat and 50% compost. Here the flat pots I have taken. Here small holes are at the bottom region. Cover it properly so that soil cannot come out from here. So just fill it up properly, and after filling up with the soil, here is non-soil media and I am adding soil media. In both media, we will show which one is better, you will see. And in any media you want, you can grow the seeds. Just watch the process. And here I am taking out the big bolts here. And after flattening properly, so now time to sprinkle the seeds here, and in both the way you can spread the seeds here. Just watch, these are the black, small minute black seeds. I am sprinkling the seeds here, you can see. And in one kiwi you can get up to 200 seeds. So from one kiwi you can expect up to 50 plants you can get from one kiwi plant. And the best part is you can eat the fruits also. So here if you want, you can directly from the central part of this pulp you can collect and directly sow the central pulp here. So this is the way, in both the way you can collect seeds and you can sow the seeds. Just scoop the central part where the black minute seeds are here and directly sow the seeds here. After sprinkling the seeds here, just cover it with the same soil media. Just watch, I am showing you how to cover it with this non-soil media. I am covering the fine layer, thin layer of cover, just to cover the seeds here. And after covering the seeds, you have to apply some water mixed with fungicide. Which fungicide I am applying? Watch, I am showing you. I am applying SAP fungicide. This is the mixture of systemic and contact fungicide. 2 gram per liter. 2 gram per liter I have added in water and sprinkle the water over the seeds here properly and keep it in semi-seed area for around 15 days to 1 month time. And every alternate day you have to sprinkle water so that the soil media does not dry up. So here I am giving it and I will show you after around 40 days it will take to get big 3-inch size plants. So after around 50 to 60 days you can expect you can transplant in 3-inch pot, then you can transplant a 5-inch pot or 8-inch pot and you can grow easily. Just watch, I am showing you after the germination of the process. Just watch. Friends, this is the result after 40 days and you can see lots of new seedlings have grown of these kiwi plants. And here you can see very small minute plants. Friends, this is the result after 50 days and you can see around 1 inch to 2 inch length of the kiwi plant have grown. And this is easy method, you can collect it and you can grow it and let the plants be bigger and larger in size, then we will go to transplant. Friends, this is the result after 60 days, that is after 2 months you can see the plant seedlings and they are fully grown. Lots of seeds are yet to germinate. They will germinate and they will again grow in good condition. Friends, welcome back after 70 days. Now the plants have attained around 2-inch length and you can transplant all these plants in 3-inch pot. So I'll show you how to transplant in which media you have to grow. These are the seedlings. Let it grow in a bigger size. I'll transplant it. I'm taking 3-inch pot, small pot, and take a stick so that and mixture I am taking 50% vermicompost, 50% garden soil. This is the mixture I am adding. A small amount of soil mixture I am adding in each pot. And how to take up the plants from here, and I am showing you. Just push the small stick inside and push it from below so that entire root should come out from here. Entire root should not tear. And here I am taking out the plants here, and this is the way how to take the plants out from the soil media. And from here I am again taking out another plant. So this is the plant with full root, and now fill up the soil and after proper growing the seedling, push it with your finger. And this is very easy process. This is full of kiwi plants, kiwi fruits are full of vitamin C and vitamin K. So this will control your cholesterol and these are very nice fruits for eating. And after growing the seedlings, you have to water it properly. And I'll tell you after around 4 years it will take to fruit, and you can grow just like making some stakes and you can grow it easily, and after 4 years you can get fruit from. But if you want big good quality of fruits, you have to buy some grafted plants from the nursery. They will bear much better fruits from any grafted plant buy from any nursery, and you can get in 2 years time you can get fruits from here. So this is the easiest process. You can grow easily at home. Either you can grow from seeds, or if better if you can collect plants from nursery. So this is the way. So thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you. Just watch the video.